With the vibrant oranges of winter, I create a rich marmalade that captures their sweet and slightly bitter essence. I wash the oranges well with a little bit of baking soda added to it to get rid of any pesticides or germs in them. Of course, for this I have selected few juicy oranges. Then I finely chop the entire fruit, the peel and all, just taking out the seeds and any excess pith. The pith adds a delightful texture and slight bitterness, and that's the true characteristics of a good marmalade. I place the chopped oranges in a saucepan, adding about 200 grams of sugar. Over a medium flame, I let the mixture simmer, stirring occasionally. The oranges softens and releases their natural pectin, creating a thick jammy consistency. After about 30 minutes, I add some lime juice to brighten the flavors. Once it reaches the perfect consistency, I transfer the marmalade into sterilized jars. This marmalade is perfect for spreading on toasts, mixing into baked goods, or pairing with cheese. It is such a perfect way to preserve the taste of winter oranges throughout the year. These sun kissed oranges bring a burst of brightness to any dish. The slight bitterness from the peels perfectly complement the sweetness, making this marmalade a versatile addition to your pantry. Enjoy it on your morning toasts or as a glaze for desserts. If you like this preservative free, all natural recipe, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.